It's 23rd, late night. Busy day at work, but we'll roll it anyway. I need this as much as you guys do. More cats. Can't do the balance bar, can it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Three. My first Allen & Ginter. I have not opened this yet. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Fun stuff, people. Two select, Allen & Ginter, and Topps. Okay. Chipper Jones versus Nomar Garciaparra and Jim Thome. Frank Thomas versus Jeff Bagwell. Justin Thompson. Ken Griffey Jr. versus Mike Piazza. We have a rookie class of Derek Lee. Ben Ford. Another Johnny Damon. I remember seeing that already. Darryl Fletcher. Mark Bellhorn. Terrell Wade. Some good combo cards, we'll say. This is an awful Allen & Ginter. This looks like to be a retail pack. Allen & Ginter is going to be coming to the rotation rather quickly here. We have German Marquez, Duke Snider, Paul Molitor, Lando Merced, a Scarlet Oak, and Ketel Marte. That is Ketel, right? Nice to see a German, but that's about it for Allen & Ginter. Guess we can look to see if we have a high number anywhere. Of course, I'm not well versed enough to tell you what the actually high number would be. Let's move on to select. Okay, we have a Juan Soto, Tim Anderson. We have a Aquino Red at 199. That one actually looks quite good since he's on the Reds. I have not watched to see what he's done this year. We have a Tanner Hook. This is something. A Prism. Not numbered, but Prism. And a Whit Merrifield. And one more. Tyler Stevenson, Rafael Devers, Ronald Cook Jr., Salvador Perez, Prism, and a Jonah Heim. I don't know. Anyway, that's our cards. Probably favorite card there would be the Aquino Red, just because I think it color matches nicely. Anyway, that's all for today. You take care.